very aberrant in some of the policy related stocks. That's something which is given and granted. We are off to a good start. Will the good start be sold into? And you may see a lot of volatility. I mean, it's not that, okay, now we know that how the political mandate has moved and markets will come bouncing back. No, this does not happen this way. When you see such a deep, when a harp has been put across the heart of the market, it will take time to heal. You've been hit and put out of the park, you will have to get up and start running, and that will take some time. Adani Power is bouncing back, Adani Energy is bouncing back, Adani Total is bouncing back. That's the Adani group of stocks for you. Now let's look at some of the PSUs, real Sarkari companies. BHEL, GAIL, ONGC, Coal India, what is happening there? BHEL still down after a 20% fall. There you go. Coal India, no recovery. It is not like a sharpish kind of a bounce which is coming back. GAIL, 1% only. These are very dinky bounces, and a lot of the power stocks are already in the red. Hindalco, news driven, Novelis fundraise has been put on the back burner, 5% down for Hindalco. So the breadth is not very meaningful. The market is not really climbing what could be called as a wall of uncertainty. You are not getting a very decisive trend, and the dinky bounce, and again I'm looking at the market from the prism of large cap. Frankly, if you look at the market from the prism of mid and small cap stocks, hardly any gains are there. And a lot of PSUs are still under pressure. The popular PSUs, BHEL, HAL, let's look at it, Container Corporation. So there's no meaningful bounce, let me put it this way.
Yep, absolutely. For now, that's the market. It's up by 1%. The broader end of the market currently holding out by about 1.5%. I just want to check in as to what's happening with some of those beaten down Adani Group stocks. Yes, they are holding out, but by a sliver. At least in the green, I guess you could say, saving grace. The Nifty Bank Index is up 0.5%. Metals, infra are in the green, and all sectoral indices are holding out. It's led by autos and some of those PSU banks as well. So that's what we're tracking, but some of the other stocks as well that we'll be watching out for in today's trading session. You've got Uflex. It's a power purchase agreement that they have entered into. I think RVNL, there was some order win that the company had seen. There's an SBI reports indicating that there's a board meet for a long-term fundraise, so watching out for that. And you've got some of those stocks that are in the spotlight. But within the broader universe as well, up about 1% or so, and some of those beaten down names have recovered, but still red when it comes to a Cochin Shipyard, a Garden Reach, a Bharat Dynamics, even an Adani Energy, ports for that matter. BHEL is under pressure. Some of the stocks in the green include the likes of an HUL, so that defensive tilt evident. You got Vaibhav Global, Motilal Oswal, as well as Karur Vyasa Bank, Imami, JK Tires. That's what's in the green. Checking in on some of those banking names as well that were hit in trade yesterday. The likes of RBL, IDFC First, HDFC Bank in the green. But ICICI Bank, Axis, Federal Bank continue to still remain rather muted in trade.